Okay, we're going to show a short video today intended to highlight the 12Blocks programming environment. You can look that up under 12blocks.com. That's 12blocks.com. In this particular case, 12Blocks is being used to program the Parallax Propeller microcontroller. The equipment that we're using here is the standard Propeller Education Kit breadboard. There's the propeller chip itself. We also have an LCD screen that I got off my Bowie Bot, which is using the Parallax basic stamp. We have a couple of IR emitters and a couple of infrared receivers that we'll use in this demonstration. There's also the HB55 compass module that will be used in this demonstration. The 12Blocks programming environment produces a spin file that is used to program the Parallax Propeller microcontroller. 12Blocks is good for users who want to use the power of the propeller chip but may or may not be as familiar with spin and able to deal with some of the complications associated with creating spin files, and certainly can be used as an excellent bridge tool to learn spin, be able to accomplish the desired actions, and then use it as a bridge tool towards learning the spin language. So I'm just going to kind of give a demonstration of some stuff that I had done with my Bowie Bot a couple years back, and here we go. Oh, also we are using the Sony IR remote in this particular demonstration. So right now you can see here where the robot is asking us to enter in a mode, so I've programmed it so that if I hit the 1 button, it says that I pressed a 1 and that I've pressed enter and what my final total is, and that's going to put me into a roam mode. So using the infrared sensors, the robot will roam downrange. Hopefully it will come back to me, and I can actually stop it with the remote, and using the remote, stop it, and I'm now back into ready to enter in the next mode. In this case I'll hit 2 and enter. You can kind of see that. And now it's going to put me into what's called my remote control mode, which is where if I press the channel up button, it will go forward, backwards, right, left, stop, and then any one of these keys up here will functionally halt the robot and take me back into that home menu. So here we go. We go forward, and then we can stop it, and then we can turn it to the right and stop, and come back on forward and stop, and turn to the right a little bit, and you get the idea. Okay, and then if I press one of these keys, it will halt it and takes me back into my top menu. And finally, I'll show you what I've arbitrarily defined as mode 4, which I press enter and pressed enter. And this what we will do is enter in an azimuth, and in this case I'm going to use like 291, so 291, and enter, and it will finally set the azimuth. And now the Bowie Bot will actually head down. 291 is roughly straight away from the camera, so if I set this up, it will turn to the right, turn left to pick up that azimuth, or if I set it down like this, it'll turn back this way and then make corrections as it goes on down. And then it again, if I press one of these keys, it will stop. So that's the demonstration. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please check out Hano's website, 12blocks.com, and best of luck.